梅尔吉布森、凯特·波茨沃斯出演新片《自然之力》。本片由麦克·鲍利士执导，科里·米勒撰写剧本。本片讲述一名警察在飓风疏散过程中必须保护建筑物内的剩余居民，而犯罪分子则试图在建筑物内实施神秘抢劫。吉布森饰演一位固执的退休侦探，他拒绝疏散，并对出现在他家门口的窃贼进行了反击。
Play what?
What if people
Doesn't matter. You wash your hands at the sink and you. Alrighty then.
Guy left. Didn't want to press charges.
No.
Are you gonna just give me one-word answer? Y'all can arrest me, do whatever.
See.
Perfect.
Liability in politics. I'm staying here. I'm not leaving. Where do I know you from? I know you. Back in my day, we had this moron called Willie Bosket. He used to tell me.
All right, I'm the one to leave, ma'am. I can't force him.
He's a female authority?
I always had this much security.
Not that I recall, sir.
All your comms are down in this shit.
We gotta get to higher ground.
Come on, man. Get in.
No, don't shoot. Shots fired. Fucking uniform.
6'2", 160, long hair.
There gotta be someone else in the building.
No, you're not cutting my leg off.
We didn't have time to ease you in. Keep him awake. It's just as important as applying pressure to the wound. You got it?
It's, you know,
What is?
never mind.
I'm just saying.
Yes, they're going! Where are who?
Your partner in the.
Come on now, help me drag him inside.
What's your name?
Who is he?
He's part of a crew. He does high-end heist job. They pop the old girl before they can finish the job, the greedy fuck.
Roberta Gratisher.
You know her? Let me see that.
Listen, see if we're gonna stand any kind of chance at all. Drop it.
I get it.
You really believe that?
You're good.
Wait. I'm just trying to clarify is all.
Okay.
Blackmail. Now rescue Janet.
Jesus, you did what you had to do and you did good, so own it. Now. Get up! Now, get up! Appreciate if you can cap a couple of them too, sons of a bitch. Glenn.
Will you let me know how it feels? It was worth a shot.
Guns, knives, anything that kills. Hey, we're in the fucking.
Officer Paduro. Here with your partner, Officer Peña. Your man and yours. Leave your guns.
If you're not here...
Kill Peña, and then they're gonna hunt us down.
Emily.
Are they in the building?
Are you?
We're gonna go on up there and finish this. Yeah.
Slowly.
San Juan es evidente. Los
Excuse me, sir. That's our cue.
Change.